Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Indie Prep Girls, and this is Bonishika, and today I'm going to review the Jeju Body Rituals from the brand Pilgrim. These are the two products, which is this one. The first one is the Volcanic Lava Ash Body Scrub. This is how it looks. And the other one is the Pilgrim Shea and Cocoa Butter Body Butter. Sorry. So these are the two products which I'm going to review today. So let's start off with the body scrub, which is the Volcanic Lava Ash Body Scrub. I love the packaging. It's quite impressive, I must say. Okay, so let's open it up. So they gave this guide. There's the one. So the key ingredients in this scrub are the volcanic lava ash, which is the main ingredient, and it also has white lotus and yug jugo. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So these are the three main ingredients in this products. So the volcanic lava ash जो है, it's a skin purifying and a cleaning agent, which means that this ingredient or the scrub will protect you from the harmful effects of pollution, and also it will prevent from skin aging and fights acne, and yes, also rejuvenates the skin. And the other ingredient, which is the yug jugo, is a rich source of copper, manganese and magnesium, and yes, and couple of vitamins too. So it means that it reduces pigmentation and also dark spots. So yeah, this is a good one. This product also contains white lotus, which is a natural superfood for your skin, and also contains vitamin B complex and vitamin C, and yes, antioxidants too. Basically, it just provides your skin instant hydration. That's all we need, right? So now let's check how is the texture and how we can use it. So this is how it looks. Smell is amazing. It's really amazing. Now let me show you guys the application of this scrub. आप ये भी use कर सकते हो या फिर you can just use your hand. So that's it. Just लीजिए and I love the fact कि दूसरे स्क्रब की तरह like there's a dry one, but आप जब damp करते हो अपने skin को and you apply it, it does not fall off. So that is the thing which I am loving it, and this is how. So in short, this scrub just cleans your pores, removes your dead skin cells, which means कि ये new skin cells generate करने में मदद करती है, and also reduces pigmentation. And yes, और एक बात, ये also detoxify and brightens your skins too. And the other product in the combo is the Pilgrim Shea and Cocoa Body Butter. तो जब भी मैं कुछ लोशन या फिर मॉइस्चराइजर या बॉडी बटर लेती हूँ या खरीदती हूँ, आई मेक श्योर कि उसमें या तो शिया या तो कोकोआ रहे, बिकॉज दोज आर द नेचुरल moisturizer of your skin, and this body butter contains both the ingredients, so this is a steal, I guess. And this body butter also contains white lotus. White lotus के benefits मैंने already आपको बता दिया है. And let's see how it looks, और इसका texture कैसा है. एंड इसमें ये भी आता है तो ताकि आप इजीली अप्लाई कर सकते हो, बट मैं तो हाथ ही यूज कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज इस सबके लिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता है कभी कभार. सो लेट्स सी. द टेक्सचर इज क्वाइट इंटेंस. मतलब ये पतला नहीं है, इट्स क्वाइट डेंस. आई गेस काफ़ी टाइम तक ये चल जाएगा, या फिर लाइक नहाने के बाद आप यूज़ कर लो, एंड आई थिंक ये काफ़ी टाइम तक चल जाएगा. सो इन शॉर्ट में बताऊँ तो दिस बॉडी बटर डीप मॉइस्चराइजिंग करता है आपके स्किन में, एंड आपका स्किन इलास्टिसिटी भी इम्प्रूव करता है. एंड और एक खास बात इस बॉडी बटर का है कि दिस रिड्यूसेस स्ट्रेच मार्क्स। सो हमने बात कर लिया दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स के इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड बेनिफिट्स के बारे में। एंड जहां तक ब्रांड का बात है, दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर मेड इन इंडिया। ये प्रोडक्ट्स सल्फेट, पैराबेन एंड क्रुएल्टी फ्री है। एंड मोर ओवर दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर suitable for both men and women and every skin type. So head over to their website for exciting offers. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like my review and आपको products चुनने में कोई problem ना हो. And if you want me to review any other products or brands, do comment down below and I'd love to do that. So see you next time. Bye guys. Oh yes, wait. Don't go. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like and share, and also comment if possible. It'll help me out. So yes, I can go now. Bye.